is what happened to Talking Everything industry? And let me just, for you guys who are still here, thank you for sticking around. And yeah, my boy is ready to come through. I told you that I'm hosting my homeboy, Otembele. So basically, what we do here is we invite people that are in the industry to sort of help us understand if we are interested in joining the acting industry. How can we go about it? What's the best way to go about it? My boy Otembele is already here. Listen. This guy, right? How I met him. Let me first accept him. He just accepted. I'll tell you guys how I met this guy. Oh my God. He's coming through. Welcome to everybody who's here already. 7:30 Sundays. My nigga. How about that?
Great.
I'm not. First of all, I just want to thank you, man, for coming through and accepting this invitation. We've been talking about this for a long time,
Nah,
And
for 2 years, man.
Officially back. It only made sense. Episode 1,
Yeah, Kumbulu's data is way too much.
Hey, Jayam. Let me tell you guys how I met this guy, right? So, social media is a very dope place to meet people and make genuine, have genuine relationships. So apparently, I'm on set this one time. I was on this other set 2 years back, right? I was on this other set.
1802,
Yeah, 1802. It's breakfast. They're saying I'm wearing a hoodie. I got my hoodie on, and I'm having breakfast. And then out of nowhere, I hear someone say, Aramis Ngwenya. I'm like, who the heck could know me? Who the heck could know me here? So he says it again, Aramis Ngwenya. When someone calls you like they know you. I turn around, I see this nigga. It's like, yo, who? That time I don't even remember. I'm like, hey man, who's this? I'm like, sure, friend, talk about that. And then, he introduced himself like, no, dog, I know you from Instagram. And, we started clicking from there. I've always wanted to ask you, how did you know it was me? Because I had my hoodie on, bro.
I mean, like, then was, like that, and I think like born, and then I was like, oh, there's layout.
Yeah.
And most Instagram, Sanalaweba, you just accept. You follow, and you don't really register about that.
Yeah.
But with you, because you were posting so much then, like you were doing lives, Nabandu, all the time, you kept talking about the art and about what you do.
Yeah.
So I was like, out one day. I was like, yeah, Nagwenya.
Oh, but yeah, but it was the dopest and most random ways to meet you. And after meeting Glass, and I've been boys ever since. And so basically, just to break this down, I'm sure you know it because you've been a part of it. What I like with Leshan is it's just a conversation. Let's pretend the cameras are not here, and we're basically discussing everything industry. I have some questions I jotted down for just the direction, but we'll just go along and I want to welcome everyone who's here as well. Thank you for joining us, guys. Man, let's jump straight to it, dog. The question I usually like starting with is just introduce yourself to the people, and over to you, my dog.
Yeah, man. No, Otembele, proud from a small town as a Flagstaff. Mjita ndropholile fethu zithanda u-actor, thanda sport, thanda u-actor, and yeah, man, I just love people. Yabo. I believe I'm a good person. Yeah, I can.
I can vouch for you. There.
Ne.
Coolest. So, Doc, what was your first encounter with acting, right? How old were you? And when you discovered what you think you might wanna pursue this as a career, did you always want to? Was this your first option? Did you have other options? Like, le relationship yakho, le romance yakho ne acting,
No. Very late, Buddha. Very
really?
late. Yeah, like matric, I think.
Okay.
Matric, you kind of don't know. In fact, grade 11, I think. Yeah, I think it was
matric.
Yeah.
John, like so. So what were you studying in school?
No, esikoleni mina I did life sciences, geography, history, maths, literacy, and I played rugby. That's all.
Are you serious?
Like, I'm general student.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Was that influenced by your parents, the whole acting thing, or was it friends? Because I know Bangan sometimes they make you choose.
No, it came from me. It came from me. So,
They want
as
to be.
much as this is how it happened. So, thina mos njengoba sikhulile Flagstaff, sikhulele ezilalini yabo.
Sure.
So, ezilalini sinesola, there's no electricity. Sidlala ama-CD, oChuck Norris,
Yeah.
ityala lamawele, yayibona iJerusalem.
Yeah.
So those were the things that we watched, the teen, and I would always linganisa more sebo. But to me, it was not a thing, but actor. But this is like way back in Sese Primary, and I never really paid attention to it. So ngiyafika ngoku high school, didlala sport phela. Yebo. Andifuni nix enokwenza nento zedrama. Idrama is like izinto zanu babhayizayo. Well,
Yeah.
Until grade 11, ititshala yami ithi khawuyenze mani le character nomgca ubabonise uba le nto yenziwayo. I know ubungakwazi uyenza. Then I did it.
So it teacher a drama or teacher.
Her music, but now she was also teaching a drama.
Okay.
Yeah, but now
How does she know?
music.
She know ukuthi ungayenza le character?
I don't know. I think because nandingumntwana ongahluphiyo. She just believed, but let discipline, it comes with something. So I did it, and then she was like, yeah, that was good. But I never really even acted kulo nto eyayisenziwa.
Yeah.
Come matric or sayobukela iplay Playhouse in Durban, where I saw Hamlet for the first time.
Yeah.
This is Shakespeare. And then they study vele esikolweni kwa-English. But I was taken away. I'm like, yo, suka. Dimu Hamlet. Went home, study leyo monologue. This is me now. That's just how it really like started. Ndaqala ke ngondake audition the drama school at DUT. Yabo. That's when really yaqala khona.
You're telling me ukuthi by the time ufike matric wena, that's when you were like, I'm apply science, apply a drama.
I knew ngeke ndiye kwa science vele. It was just a thing.
Yeah.
I thought mna mfethu engqondweni nami ngizoba i-rugby player, like professional rugby player.
Also I nje ufuna ukuthola matric bese
kahle mna mfethu engqondweni yami nje ngifuna matric, shaya rugby, Sharks Academy, Blue Bulls, whatever. Mhlambe if I don't make it, go to like sport management, something like that. But actor was but then matric changed it.
Obviously you passed matric science.
Yeah, pasa ngayo.
I-art iyakhona ukuthatha abantu who didn't study art attention. Like I can study something else and then apply and they'll still consider me.
Primarily vele kaloku bona they just want languages. So you have isiXhosa already, ne-English or isiZulu or Afrikaans. So though iba zezi i-bonus into yokwenza drama high school really.
Yeah.
So babengenangxaki naloo nto, as long as you pass ne-audition yabo, then you're good to go.
Yeah. I think there's an interesting question here from Uguhle Mela. Do you think if you were aware of what acting is from a young age, you would have considered acting and take sports as a hobby? Now,
Uthini Uguhle?
Do you think if you were aware of Uguti acting, what it was from a young age, would you have considered acting and take sports as a hobby?
Yeah. Inzima.
Yeah.
Efethu. Mandithi inzima, you know why? Khumbula uba ndithe kuwe. Already kwangobe ndimncinci le nto ye-acting bendiyenza but bendinga.
Sure.
Like ibingekho sengqondweni nami uba le nto ndiyayenza.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
And ekhaya utata yacula, oLedu yacula, bonke abantu abasekhaya bayacula, like classical music. I'm talking Fava Road. Yeah? Yeah.
Because like
I'm talking
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I think either way, even if I knew about acting yonke like maybe nandizozenza zombini
Yeah.
ne rugby,
Sure.
but I wanted to push for lento rugby for some reasons, yabo. But
Yeah.
Matric, guess what? When I got the opportunity to go to acting, I completely just went, okay, rugby out of the window. Then the focus.
But did rugby also have like opportunities for you as well?
Great
Or
opportunities. Great opportunities, Buddha.
I shoot it.
Trust me. Yeah.
You know, I find that very interesting. What you're saying, Muti, you used to do it as a kid, not knowing what serious. It was like a hobby because I share a similar thing with you, like because my mother, right? Even me and my brother, we used to do listen as a skits, but you know, before internet was a thing.
Yeah.
We were shooting skits using our phones. Maybe we'd argue with someone and say, "Yeah, we're not telling." And then so you pause the video and then you put a dog there, and then it's like you turn them to a dog and then you turn them back.
And then you do.
So thinking about it now, that was acting. In fact,
that was
acting, directing, and editing
100%.
at the same time. So we found that fun, not knowing what it was an introduction to something that will later develop into like a serious passion. So it's quite interesting. And I think it also raises a point, even when you bring up kids, pay attention to what they like, or what they do as hobbies.
And what they say.
Yeah. Because you know, it's just that it's a journey that you discover as you grow up, but there's something about what you do when you're young, I think.
But to go to the question, if then, I don't know if maybe she was also coming kule perspective design. If I knew someone who was in the industry then, exactly like the ins and out of the industry, I wouldn't have went and studied acting like a drama school. This is just me as Otembele.
Okay.
I would have done Connie course that they had at DUT. It was called video technology. So I would have went there and studied video technology and probably do cinematography or just go into directing straight. Because the Bonengo sense drama school third year. Oh, okay. Actually, denying on the director actually, Oh, but uyakhumbula ku-1802 I ended up ndincedisa mos uTamagadla ndishadowisha yena. Even on Uzalo I was shadowing a lot of directors. So I think there's something with me with directing. I just need to find a way to go about it at some point.
Yeah, and you've directed theater plays as well.
Theater plays, yeah. So I think if Nandinalond, I probably would have went more into the directing side of it. Acting, I don't regret it at all, yabo.
Yeah.
But maybe that's what I would have done.
Okay, so with directing, right? Is that where the passion is now? Or you wanna do both acting and directing?
I wanna do both, Bodi.
Okay.
I wanna do both. You know why?
Yeah.
I think there's a bit of freedom of what you want to say, really, as a director, in terms of, especially if you are an independent producer, in terms of imali nendoni zonke into isuka kuwe.
Yeah.
You do things ngalendlela ufuna ukwenza ngayo, yabo? Like you have more control of the creativity, the message that you want to put out there. Yeah. So I think, and also iza kwecala le business kakhulu, yabo? Iza kwecala.
So yes.
Hence why ndidla ngokutsho ebantwini ndithi maybe if I substituted life sciences ne business studies at high school, it would have
yeah.
Maybe, but akukho late ndisengayifuni.
It's not. That's very interesting, bro. That's very interesting because I was actually gonna ask you about the directing side because I remember you shadowing La Payabu in
1802.
Which also kinda maybe should I go to the question now? Okay, fine. I'll go to it later. But what I want to ask you is acting, right?
Mm.
Do you think, like, to you, how do you view it as? Is it a passion, or is it a job? I'm not sure if you're getting what I'm trying to ask.
Is it a
Like,
job?
with
Is
you,
it a calling?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you view it as business, or it's something you're passionate about doing that also rewards you with like paying you because it comes with it, but you would do it even if it's for free. So can we like what's acting to you, kahle kahle?
Okay, so for me, bra,
Yeah.
ndiyandiba mdala ngoku, uyabona say.
Yeah, sure,
Ndiyandiba mdala.
sure.
There's seasons to it, then there's ways I'm going about it in terms of saying I can now separate it to say
Yes.
this, I'm doing this for the sake of passion,
Yeah.
because till this day, bra, ndiyakwazi ukwenza ifilimu for free. We understand?
Wow.
And
Yeah, yeah.
ndiyakwazi ukwenza ifilimu for free. Mhlambi eyomntu like recently ekasiyavuya is doing his masters, ndimncedise in saying I'm committing to the project fully as I would commit if I was getting paid. Meaning I know my lines, I know the character, like I'm invested into it. You
Yes.
understand? Like
Same with
100%.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
same way. So that's passion. And then there's the business side now where someone comes to me and say, Fetu kawenzele, and I'm like, oh, angeke Buddha. Yo, Fetu. Priorities right now for le mali unika yona, I think ngicela siyinyuse. And then maybe they're gonna say, okay, the best we can do is to bring it here. Yabo bangoku akusathethi passion ngoku, uthethe business.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Kodwa futhi maybe I'm just saying, Buddha, kaloku nale character man masizama ukuyithi yabo sithi the passion comes in, but the business side also comes in. You end up doing it or you end up not doing
Yeah.
it. Yeah, but now you're trying to filter out what's important to you. Yeah. So there's times for a passion, those times they kick in. Uyenze into, idlule. And then there's business time as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think in njalo man lawe ifana ne-commercials ayina-formula ncam wena bhuda, ikukuwe uba wena ii-priorities zakho ziphi. I-commercials, it's like i-commercial ningaye nibe yi-3,000 uthatha umuntu oyi-one,
Yeah.
umuntu okhange nimcingele, uyabo.
Yeah.
So uzothini nakhona into ene-calling phakathi ubombani ba. For example, ngizokubalisela istory last year ndashortlistwa kwenye i-ad, yabona enkulu la ad indlela ezokwenziwa ngayo, it was big. In fact, it was going to be shot out of the country.
Okay.
And I'm just going there and nalawe ba me, I trust me I'll do this thing. But andifakanga engqondweni and ibethe bra yo i-directors zapha yo this is uyabo. And akho nto itheni mna ndiyenzile endingathi yo andiyenzile le way.
Yeah.
But I guess that's where the calling and just the natural gift just comes
Sure.
in.
Sure.
Yeah,
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Now that's very true, bro. That's very true. It's very true. Ukuhle lana uthi, very interesting. A lot of people do things for free, not knowing at the back of their minds how they'll benefit, and that's true as well. That is very true. Some things like some moves, as it is, it's not necessarily a bad thing to do something for free, because what I've noticed as well, the importance of relationships in this industry.
100%. Yeah.
Now, now you're still an upcoming. After you wanna be a producer and then you need actors for a product and you're not at that level yet. I work with you now. 2 years, 3 years down the line, you're one of the biggest productions.
For sure.
That's a connection
For sure.
that I made. And it's easy for that person to say, no, who are my people? Because also, can you touch on the importance of relationships in the industry? Because we see it a lot in our production, for example, in the Fergusons. If it's a Ferguson production, or no one's able to one in the same faces. Can you just touch on the importance of relationships and like, especially for those who are still in school, the importance of making sure that you nurture those relationships?
Yeah. So iyakulawe bendiyitsho na bra ba uyayijonga iproject,
Yeah.
ujonga istory,
Yeah.
Once usifunda ubone ba is it something you really want to be part of, because also saying yes to a project, bruh, yo, whether it pays or it doesn't pay, izawutya kuwe somehow izawutya kuwe, because nguwe kufanele ucingile, you need to come with a lot of things on set emotionally. Sometimes if it's free, like mhlambi they're not even transporting you, aba bantu izawutya nasepokothweni yakho. Yabo. It's not just, and your time as well, yabo. So ndingathini bro, when it comes to those things, uyabona man relationship nomntu lo mntu lo endizawusebenza naye up, is it really worth it? Umntu that I can trust. Do they even trust me, or they just want to get this thing out of their way? Well, because there's also that I'm cast away to shoot asidlule. Then there's also people that I know for sure, I'll make an example, bro. Mna ndike ndasebenza omnye umjito kuthiwa nguSluphiwe ne. Sluphiwe is a producer. Umjito bephume after 2023, bro. And last year, if film yakhe ibisenza ifilm yayo yokuqala like professionally, got funding. Uyabo from Zanzi, isazophuma lo film nje, I think apha ngoMay. So uBrand dibana naye, is still a student, but azange ndibe nalanto uba si-student or no, ndamthatha ngoba userious ngale nto afuna uyenza, yabo. And I would hear him out, whatever he says, ndimmamele, give feedback if I have to give feedback. Andisendele mhlawumbi itape yento ethile okanye athi Brand cela undenzele le tape, ndimenzele itape, what one next thing umjita nanku ngoku sendiofarisha isibhani mna, you understand i-production yakhe.
Sure.
So uyabona ukubaluleka of not just looking down upon by as a student wethu. No. Laa mntu une-dreams naye, and those dreams are valid and zizokwenzeka, yabo.
True.
Just because it's a student, it doesn't mean uzawuhlala as a student. So uyajonga wena man bra ubone ba okay, I think I can invest my time into this project. Nami ndidla ngobuza ke mna sometimes, man le project mfethu uzoyisaphi, uzoyifaka kwi-festival, or you don't want to shoot something and then ihlale kwi-laptop. Yeah, and it's not wrong to ask. It's your time. It's your energy. So injalo man into ibalulekile. Without those relationships, some call them connections. Bro, you're not gonna go far kakhulu man kule industry.
So on that note, right, I also want us to touch on the importance of ama-agent, you know? So because a lot of people say I wanna be an actor. Like for me, I'm an agent. That's work is an to. I was good for acting. I was good to script, me audition, in the monologue. We are both. What? Okay. Question. Question number one. What would your advice be to local who's really they think they want to be actors? How can they go about it? What's your advice to them? Two. The importance of representation. Can you touch on that? The importance of having an agent. How important is that? And how also people can do their research to make sure that an agent because there's people they go through a lot like about agent being asked to pay upfront fees and whatnot. So just can you touch on all of those things?
Ukuhle would know this actually. Sake sancokola ngale nto if usekhona. Uyandazi ba I suffered a lot when it comes to agents as well. No man. Fair too. When it comes to Indo agents, this is just my advice. Do your research kakuhle, because here we're talking about your money.
Yes.
We're talking about your money. We're talking about your future. We're talking about your. We're talking about your representation.
Do your research also. Tell them how to, because some people don't. They like do your research. How do I do?
Okay.
How? So
how you do your research? Look for example, this is what I used to do. I would look for, because nantando athandwa kani kakhulu in science of first year, second year drama school. I still do. So I would research ba lamachitando athandayo in the art. Who are representing them?
Ooh,
Then you
that's
find,
a good one. That's a good
yebo.
one. Yeah.
Representa i-canvas cam. Okay, ngubani u-canvas cam ngoku? Ngubani lo mntu? Canvas cam owner ngubani bani. You research them from there. Ikhona le information kwi-internet. You can even ask people.
Yeah.
Okay, ubani ngubani? Ubani wazana nobani? Okay.
Yeah.
Khathi ndibuzo athandwa kani. And I used to ndandimhlupha bro athandwa kani.
Yeah.
Ngene ku-Facebook wakhe ndithi ye bhuda andithi uzibiza nge-Prince of Theatre nam nditsho ndiyi-Prince of Theatre ndizoba tshempu ndizofana nawe yabo.
Yeah.
I still wish to meet him bra one day
Yeah.
ndimxelele
Yeah.
ndizawuba yi-Prince of Theatre nam yabo.
Yeah.
So ndifuna i-agent kanje and uyabo ngubani baninzi man, you search some even abantu sometimes odibana kwi-spaces ze-theatre that or like besenza theatre. Umzekelo mna e-DUT I knew a lot of guys like abafana noThembi Nkosi Mthembu uba bebefunda e-DUT. Who is representing them?
Yeah.
There's an agent called Anita. Who's this? Then that's how you start. Yeah. And then once you know of these agents, you look at what is it that they are offering. Are they offering modeling? Because you don't want to be in a modeling agent can't act.
Yes.
Let's say vice versa when you model but you're in an acting agency.
Yeah.
Network and
ngiyakuzwa bra. Is it me or is it live? What is this network doing? Let's look at enemy of progress. Enemy of progress. Lana sis kanje.
there we go.
Okay. Oh yeah, I think that's okay. Maybe misbehave.
It was on my side, ne?
Yeah.
What happened?
Okay. No. But we're back. Okay. Yeah.
So I was still on the what is the agent offering?
Sure.
Yeah. And then you ask people abantu who have been doing this thing. Yeah, but one thing, kumamele, zikhona 30 agents that are gonna say pay 1,500 to join. Yeah, hey, now we are supposed to yini kanti lengaka 1,500. Yeah, and I listened, but sometimes you go with your instinct as well. Uba, you feel like paying that 1,500. Uzobona phambili.
Yeah. You know, the advice I got from, I remember, because my entrance into the industry, I started out because remember I didn't have any knowledge of how to. So my first encounter with acting was background acting, right? And it also goes back to the. So when I met the actors on set, or whatever, whoever's willing to answer, like how do I like and how do I get a proper agent? I remember the advice I got from one of the actors. I remember the advice. Any agent that asks you to pay an upfront fee is dodgy, because the agent from Ispan so once actually Ispan, that's where they should get their cut. So if agent is for imali upfront, and if it's like a significant amount and it's for what, then probably it might be a scam. So that stuck with me a lot. I questioned, and it saved me from paying about fees. I understand, because you have people say, for photo shoots, you pay this. They take photo shoots about you, and then 5 years, no audition, no nothing. They're just in, or it's just background stuff. So that stuck with me.
Yeah. And then the next thing, you're depressed, bro. Prior, you're just depressed.
Yes.
But and then you then asked me what I would say to someone who wants to be an actor. Like, where do they start?
Yeah.
Hey, bro, I won't fit to move from my act. It's hard to say, Mpana, this thing. It's because I feel like personally, how are you gonna go about it? I'm not gonna say move to Joburg. Uzofika uzowenzana, uzawuphakwa ngotsotsi. Uyabo?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say I'm at Durban
Yeah.
or what. I think
Yeah.
qala mfethu ngezinto nje ezi-basic kungcono ngokhona ne-social media ungabetha monologues, you tag people, that person, you talk to that person gives you a better advice, yabo. Or maybe go to a training center, yabo, like I know at Durban there's KCAP,
Yeah.
I know in Joburg there's Market Laboratory.
Yeah.
There's people that are actually having indawo apho ukwazi ufunda khona i-acting. You can start up there, yabo.
Yeah.
Ukwazi ukuthatha iskill sakho and sharpen it, wazi ba yintoni monologue, yabo. Xa ufuna monologue ufunwa ntoni,
Workshops.
xa ufuna,
Yeah.
yeah. If mhlawumbi kuthiwa send us a self tape, yintoni self tape, uyenza njani self tape,
Yeah.
uyabo.
Yeah.
Script, how do you break down a monologue, how do you break down, uyenza njani scene breakdown, script breakdown, just ezo zinto ezincinci, so that even when you get that small role,
Yeah.
you know how you're going to, yabo.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Basically
No.
yilo way endingayitsho mna.
Bro, that is so profound. It was like you take that you're taking me back to my early days. Those are the things that helped me a lot. Now let's statement the city. If you don't take anything from this interview, take this. Now let's statement the city, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. How do you stay ready? Basically making sure by the time this role it fit, you are very much. There's been so many instances, dog, where on set I arrived as EE background, and then maybe find that the person was supposed to do maybe a feature role doesn't pitch, yeah, but and then they need to cast within the background, and then they started casting. Then they gave us a line. Can you do this line? Okay, show me how you're going to do it. And because I was prepared and I was trained, I say I was able to quickly master the script and present and securely on role on set. We are both. And lapho already ECV I'm saying I have a feature now. We are both because
you are featured somewhere.
You understand? Because also another thing that maybe you might not have mentioned, the big agents, like for these big artists, the criteria. It's like applying to a DUT or for medicine. They have a criteria to say if you want to be represented by us, you must either have maybe they'll say 5 years experience or
show real.
Yeah, so if you're someone who is not qualified, they will require the experience unless maybe you're referred by someone or they spot you somewhere. So there's a criteria. So you see these things, you being ready, opportunity agenda, it works in your favor to say, okay, fine, I can work with the smaller agents for now to build my profile. That's what I did. Build your profile, get these small roles, the features. So TV, there's no role is called a small role. Any role is important and vital. So you work with, if you don't have experience, I'd advise that you start with those, obviously make sure that they are not scams as well. That's what I'm saying. It's an agent that will legit get you a job, maybe a feature, maybe you're a waiter or whatever, you know. That counts because now when you apply to maybe an iMedia or a Michelin, you can say, "Do I have this experience? I have this show reel from 1 to 3," and then they can say, "Okay, maybe contact call, and we can work with you." And I wanted to ask earlier, Oguti, since like your relationship, I like to call it's a romantic relationship, right? Has it been a toxic one for you, or has it been fulfilling since you started your journey so far? Has it been fulfilling or has it been toxic? And would you recommend it to someone else who hasn't started?
Talent ayinabungozi. No, but actually, I firstly want to add on what you said. I come from, like, now I'm a very small agent, which I can say publicly that I paid money to be part of when I started in my career. And that's how I got the Uzalo role, where I was called as an extra, having just like 4 lines to sell clothes to Usbu. And that's what I did. And I did it to the best of my ability. only to find uba ndizawuthi ndisahlele ekhaya and kuthiwa no lo mfana makabuye man,
Yeah.
you know, sithanda nendlela athetha ngayo isiXhosa, and that's just how it started to. So if I was not in that agent, I wouldn't have got the part.
Yeah.
But probably I would have got something else there or something. Yeah. So yile ndithi ihleli lapha kuwe uba uyeva uba yiya, just go. You're going to build a profile, and then from there you go up. My relationship with the acting, the industry, how it has been over the years, it's been a rocky road.
Yeah.
I won't lie. It's been a rocky road, like really rocky. I won't lie to you. Can't be in but there's been great things, and I'm grateful. Grateful to productions that paid me what I was worth, and that really changed my life in certain ways. So with that being said, for me it works. For me it works, and I still have hope that it's going to work. But for umuntu, I can't say, hey, tata lendo izokusebenzela, because it might not. Or maybe that person now is in a hurry to do, then kuzoba nengxaki, because also the way ifuna patience eninzi, but you need to wait. You need to learn. You need to talk to people. You need to, you need to shoot things by yourself. Shoot monologue, post it so that someone can see it. You need to. There's a lot of things that needs to be done. There's a lot of work. It's constantly working. Even just uvule TV, bukele film. Even if uyithandi, bukele, bra. Maybe you might learn something. So the team. For me, it's been a rocky road, but kuyaphileka, bra. Kuyaphileka, bra. And right.
And I love that. Transparent, honest. Because you actually touched on the question that I had written down, the importance of patience. You can't come into the industry ujahi, because we don't know how our journeys are. You have to be patient. You have to stay ready, but also, hey, you never know. It could take a year. It could take 10 years.
And that patience, bro. That patience. Sorry, but about that patience, I feel like because there's so much that you learn with patience, to a point that even if you might go up, you get something big, you're working, you're busy, you're doing what. Even when it's quiet, but okay, it's quiet now, and this is what I have to do.
And you can see, like, within that period of waiting, there's so much you can learn. So many relationships also along the way, or now that will be helpful to you in future. I think just appreciating the process is very important. Appreciate the
hard process.
So with that, I had another question I also wanted to say, because I think it's very important. Let me know what you think about it. How important is it to have but how important is it to have another stream of income as an actor, to not be solely dependent on acting, be it a business or whatever? How important is it to have another stream of income outside of acting? It doesn't have to be 9 to 5 or anything.
Very important. Very important, my friend. Okay. So mandiqale kanje, bruh, you need something to breathe just above the water. I understand. So that even when something comes, but you're not desperate. You're not negotiating from a place of desperation. But because this I know it from me, and Aramis. There's jobs I've taken, even behind the scenes, and they were bad pay, bro. Like paying terrible fee, and I've done so much work, and I'm like, So with that being said, that's why it's so important by ubenazo ezinye income. So you there's many things ke abantu abangazenza depending on the skill sakho naso.
Yeah.
Now what I used to do, for example, is like offer the same skill that I have, which is facilitator through my academic side of the art. Yabo?
Yeah. Yeah.
So being facilitator, I used to have a photography studio at Durban. So like bendizama man to build this thing, yabo, where I can earn money outside
Yeah.
just to act.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
There's many things umuntu angazenza, bra. I feel like it's corner, man. There's even mhlawumbe not even outside of the industry kangako. You can just do behind the scenes. Meanwhile, there's something that can pop up. You can be an AD, you can do cont. I do cont sometimes. I've been an intern kwenye i-film umzekelo for continuity. So ungatya man phana ba.
Yeah. Dope. Okay, so let's come back to the acting side of it. You know, how do you or Tembele, how do you prepare for an audition? Let's say by the sector and that audition, because we've seen your back roles. Man, when it comes to auditions, man, there's something about you. There's a way you prepare. You can, you know, bag it. How do you prepare for an audition? Yeah, take me through that.
Yeah, I keep it simple, bro. I keep it simple. If for example, in the rhythms are like brief, character, okay, then I try to imagine it and one of the most important things I like to play with is costume. So I'll focus more. I'll focus more like the appearance.
Yeah.
Because I know bazojonga. The first thing like they're gonna look, oh okay. And then work with my lines again. Okay. Lo mntu uthini, what are the emotions? How am I gonna play this? Da 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 da. But I understand kakhulu. I don't like andispress kakhulu. I'll go print out a script and this phone. Once in this bambe, I start practicing, and then umntazondifundela even if they're an actor or what, yabo, I just try to focus like in practice, yabo, and just I try to play more, especially if you self-tape, because the self-tape are combed, bro. You can do as many as you can.
Yes.
Yeah, but you can do as many as you can. But normally, better nje 4, 5 theatre and then right, because andifuna ukustressa kakhulu but I need to make sure it's perfect. It's a 17.
Yeah.
So my preparation is not hectic. It's what you know you would do as an actor. You just Ubete's points is strong.
Yeah. Interesting. That is interesting. You know, you touched on an important point which I learned. I don't know if I learned it later or I neglected it at first. Costume. Before you say anything, they see you appear. What do they see? Do they see the character or not? Yeah, because the truth of the story is there could be thousands of people auditioning for the same role, you know, and maybe they skim past each tape. So if your appearance doesn't stand out, it could even eliminate your chances of even being seen or performer because they're like, he looks too young, you know. There are so many times where, for example, to audition for a cop, I looked young, but once I entered the uniform, they're like, oh, actually, no. I thought you were young before, but now you look the part. Funny enough, there's recent things I did just now, Scandal and My Brother's Keeper.
Yeah.
For both those roles, when I auditioned, I remember I went out to go buy props. I had to go buy. So that's investing in the thing. So I went to go buy. I didn't have it because I didn't go to it. I went to go buy cigarettes. I don't even smoke. I had to go buy cigarettes. We are both.
Yeah.
What else did I buy? But I remember My Brother's Keeper, they said the OX was he had he loved guns. We are both. So I noted that I'm like, okay, so they need to see the relationship between this guy and guns.
And
I was like, okay, flip.
guns, yeah.
I need to have a gun for this audition. I literally went to go to ShopRite to look for a gun.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
audition. So it is very important. So I'm highlighting it because I know the importance of it and I've seen the effect here. You know, sometimes you can either lose or get a role because of is your wardrobe the one?
There was a casting director, bra, was running a workshop.
Yeah.
Hey, like, kula workshop, inzima cool.
Yeah.
Because most of the time thina si-auditiona kanje, uyabo, si-auditiona kanje.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Siyaphoza. And asiyenze into in real life. In real life, you be talking to someone, you touching them, you holding something, you drinking water, you fixing your hair. Uyabo? So what then changes when you're auditioning? It shouldn't change.
Interesting. I'll note that down. That's a very profound note.
Yeah. Now that's how it see some.
Yeah, audition sometimes we stiff, man. We come out of reality because we want to act. Yeah, bro. But I feel like sometimes you have to hit theater because you know theater and TV acting are different.
Yeah.
I think
no, the pressure. The pressure.
There.
The pressure. Yeah.
Yeah. No, interesting. Good stuff. That is very good stuff. Okay, so tell me, is there a role that you enjoyed doing the most? Which one was it, and why?
Itene?
Wait,
come again?
Show. Your role or show or enjoy against now. Okay. If do you have one? If yes, why did you enjoy the one more than Amana roles?
And the enjoy was a song.
Yeah.
Have you shown the enjoy was a song, man? Yeah. That's tough, Margin thing. Okay. In terms of acting, ne?
Could be anything.
Okay. They found the opportunities later on. Okay. In terms of good treatment, Zabala nemali, money. Impatho overall for me would be 1802.
Okay.
High put. Lulu bra. Bentena nine, few months back and do you know about the like la mpahla yakho leya ondike yona ike yaba ne-effect till this day in my life.
Wow.
Like, bruh, we were set with the 1802. I won't lie to you. With the 1802, I'm Chanam. I went as far as enjoying even a character.
Sure.
Because we got to be we seen straight like the environment was emanzini or you are exactly there. I enjoyed that one. And then let me come to another one that I really enjoyed. Maybe let me mention three. Can I please just mention three?
Sure.
It would be Inantsika leka Slupio and Jetangal.
Yeah.
Lebesienza last year around November, December.
Yeah.
Because of the creative freedom they gave us. Your Pride was so nice to actually have an input in a scene.
Yeah.
I'm not kanje. Now test amandla akho nje creativity yakho.
Sure.
That one it would be wrong of me not to include Uzalo. I had a good time, Uzalo.
Yeah.
Good 3 years. No, it would be wrong of me, but yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah.
Imagine from a feature to 3 years.
You put it.
I take
you.
Sometimes all you have to do is just show up. You know.
No, but uThixo xa sekulungiselele into yakho ukulungiselele, and there's nothing that can change.
True story, my
Nothing
friend.
that can change.
True story. But you know, when you say you were happy at 1802, I can attest to that because looking back and recalling my interactions with you, I can agree you were happy to be on the set. Like you were free, playful, even on set. It was good vibes. Yeah,
Bro,
bro. So
like that side of me, I was, and the thing, Benfica, Pretoria up, I was living alone, but I was living alone, but like in Piliam, it didn't have to be difficult. Like I could do it easy end of it. Like, oh man, I was set, bro. I will forever be grateful for 1802. It came at the time where I really needed it, and it came really for me. Like, it did the things for me. In
same,
fact, it
same
did the
here.
things.
Same here.
Yeah, it did
Same
the
here.
things for me.
Now, shout
And I'm
out.
grateful to everyone who was part of it, bro. Yo, kwakumandi, bro.
Hey, bro. It was. It was
Yeah.
really, it was really dope. It was really dope. It was nice doing location as well. Like I agree with you. You know,
Yeah.
and just for in case anyone doesn't know, 1802 is currently airing on Mzansi Magic. I think Monday to
Yes.
Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. So
Monday to Wednesday. I think so,
catch
yeah.
that. The way I saw it, I felt like that was a quarter version of Shaka Zulu. You know,
And bro, do you know, like, uba experience yabantu babesebenza phaya, like your Zeno Peterson, like,
yeah, yeah,
or
yeah,
Sev,
yeah.
bro, lamajita,
Woo!
they're getting softers and
Yeah,
tonton left, right, and center.
yeah,
Osis Lulu, like the performers as
yeah,
well. Like, yo, bro, wonke umuntu pha we're good. Like, wonke
yeah,
umuntu pha we're good. You don't look at the guy because mhlambi we extra in a scene and you think, hey, lo muntu is a performer. That's when
yeah,
I'm that dibana khona noSiya
yeah,
umdubeki. And Lucia is doing amazing work outside 1802. He's traveling the world. He's doing this and that. We have
yeah,
like everyone, bro, like
yeah,
everyone.
yeah.
And most of them, it's people that we still connect to till now. And I think forever, bro.
Now it's true. It's true. Even the crew side of things. I came
Yeah.
across through your 1802 when you said, and I also bumped into Uluzano U6 laphaya.
Uh,
Njengoba ngifika
uh,
sonke because remember sibehlala nabo ibhola. Uyabo. I saw much I'm like, hey,
yeah.
Chance. Nee, what's up? Yabo. And like everyone
You
from
see,
1802 was there. They took me to the guy like, hey, everyone is here. And then when 6K was just like, oh, crazy, crazy. It's a small world. It is
yeah.
literally a small world. And it's being a small world, right? Can you touch on the importance of good behavior? Like ukuyiphatha kwakho on sets, you know, umoya artist because of how they treat you. Kulula ukuthi ugcine for lack of a better word, usuyidiva.
Yeah,
Uyabo?
cocky head.
Yeah, yeah. Sababona abanye abantu. How important is it ukuthi as much as local to stay grounded and still remember who you are, who you were when you came into the game, and maintaining a good relationship on set?
Bro, I'll speak especially for those that are still young, for example. Now, when I started being on television, being exposed to ukuthandwa ngabantu abaninzi, you come ngebantwini and then people say, oh, ngulona, yabo.
Sure.
I think I was 19 years or 18, around
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
18, 19. That's the age where you're going to get really big-headed, eh?
True.
But even so, natomdala, you are going to get big-headed somehow.
Yeah.
So, mna bra, into yokuba kwi-TV okanye ukwaziwa and getting work and for me, because I've been doing this for so long, remember, bengicula before esikolweni, and I never really used to know ba kanti ndithembu kanje bra, like mna bengicula ePlayhouse ndoda, like Philharmonic Orchestra now.
Yeah.
We understand like
Yeah.
things that people be like, Philharmonic, and I'm like, I've been doing this thing since I was like 13, 14 years growing up. So Lando Spotlight, for me, I know Lando ba yo ndinzima ndinjanjani yabo.
Sure.
So what I did mnafethu ndagcina imfundiso zami zasekhaya, simple, ndaba ngumntwana futhi, like not because ngoku there's this hype around me and there's this little money nyana, you can do things and then yeah, you're just a child with money, you're just a child who's famous, but abantu abadala bahlale bengabantu abadala. I'll do simple things when I put I am in terms of like behavior or but like kuzala.
Yeah.
When I take off my costume, I'll simply just I'll put it back, we hanger. Like
Yeah.
a simple thing like that.
Yeah.
And I didn't know, bruh. The HODs would be like, yo, Puti, thank you so much. You know, like, hey, Pela, and Sianazi, nivele nilahle. And I was like, but I mean, it should be on the Nagindoba, we sell costume,
Right.
Just small things like that. Bows about late, you just tell the 80, yeah, I'm 5 minutes away. Yeah, and I would be excused at some point just because I've been respecting people. I'll be excused when I'm at fault, come in figure late, or I was mad about a payment, and then I was mad at the 18, come in the 80. I remember it was this time, he got me on a bad day. And at that time, I was not paid. I was like, hey, how man, but he understood that it was not my behavior, but I was just mad. And then I went back to him like, Brian, man, God, I'm right now.
Yeah.
So you try, man, and not to step on people's toes because the next one siyadibana futhi uzophila kanjani.
Yeah, well, you're like, right, not this one.
Not this one. Like, Aramis, andimfuni umbona.
Yeah.
And command proud uthethwa kabi ngegama lakho, man.
Yeah.
Can do better than that.
Yeah, no, because bayakhuluma, yabo. Bayakhuluma, and once you have a bad name, it's really messed up. Yabo,
Yeah. But also with that being said, I must say, you must also stand up and say,
Yes.
like be able to say, no, and turning the tea, man.
Sure.
Because people will ban to get put. If they see about you, I lungile, about press.
So there's a line. There's a thin line.
There's a line.
Yeah.
There's being good behavior or being humble, whatever you call it, and then there's disrespect. You need to be able to spot bao and delelo up.
Sure.
And you must fix it.
Yeah. Ngiyakuthola. And let me just say, I think this has been probably my dopest chat on live. Like, point, precise. I want to give you a shout out to that. I've enjoyed it as well, and it's been so informative. Yeah, bro.
Thanks, man.
Even going back to the ones that I did before, I think this has been very insightful, even for me. Yeah, bro. So shout out to you, Jayan. Yeah, I want to ask you one last question.
Yeah.
What's your overall goal? Like as far as acting is concerned, what's your pinnacle? Like where I know that's where I'm going. That's where once I'm thinking up and I'll say even if it's China, I'm cool. Like what's your if you saw that industry.
It's all over the place for now.
Yeah.
Ne? I won't lie to you and say maybe like it's obviously to act in as many films as I can and probably my own films.
Yeah.
But for now, I can't really say where it is. No. This I built and it's going up. So I can't really answer it honestly at the moment. But I think I'm almost able to bandi mold.
Yeah.
Okay, that's my goal. Yeah.
Get tall.
Yeah.
Get tall.
But for now I'm just still dealing with like my near future things, yabo. And then I can go about what's the one.
Sure. I get taller. Get taller. No, shout out to you, dog. Thank you so much. So usually, when we get to the end of the interview, I speak words on the guest, and looking back at my previous guests, ngiyacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu unginekezile le grace le yokuthi when I speak, Nkosi yami uyenza.
Yeah.
So I want to that as well. So these words that I'm gonna speak now, just watch in the next. You know, I pray that God manifested. But man, I wanna wish you ukuthi uNkulunkulu akuvulele more doors. You know,
Because
uNkulunkulu akubusise with the kind of race that you want. May He take you to even bigger shows. Actually, they need help because the industry is we need help. So that's you know, may He protect you and open more bigger doors, bigger than what you see. May, in fact, may He bless you so much that you are shocked at the level that you are functioning in. And I really believe that He will do that. You know, just you could have said no. You know, you could have said no, busy. But you know, for you taking your time out and saying, "Ah, it's cool, Jayami, I'll give you Katsam and we can have this chat and give back to the people." I want to thank you.
Nah, man. Thank you, Puta. But you're welcome, man. I'm wishing you all the best, Puta.
Yeah, bro,
everything. I know how hard you work, man. I know how hard you work. So, and I'm definitely gonna tune in every day when you do your live. So, you call.
I'll wait, Jayam. Shout out to you, dog. Shout out to you. And don't change, Jayam. I'm the coolest human beings I've met on set. You know, stay grounded, Jayam.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bro, Jayam. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this section. Episode 1, Season 3, with a bang. I get more time to like shout out to Otebele for coming through. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Oh, just when next Sunday? No, not next Sunday. I'll tell you guys when we can do this again because next week is tricky. But yeah, we are doing this. We are continuing with the work. And shout out to you guys for staying with us. And yeah, man, we hope this has been helpful. It's been helpful to me, so I trust you. So yeah, tune into 1802 Monday to Wednesday.
Yes.
What time is it, dog? Is it 7 or 6:30?
I'm not really sure about the time because I'm not. Can you hear that?
Yes.
I'm finding a file, but I'm not sure. One and Showmax, because Showmax you can always get it. It's available because it's dish and now.
Yeah.
Sure, but
I know. Shout out.
Let me switch it off because yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, man. Have a good night.
Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, that has been it. Everything industry with your boy R, Mr. 1, no number 2, aka Mr. Content. Yes, sir. Back serving you while it's hot. Coming with the hot content. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. This was fun. Yeah, this was like work. I literally felt like I was just having a conversation with a homie, no camera. So I like this. I wanna keep this kind of emotion, this kind of feel on the lives, you know, because I went back on my previous lives just to check with how was it, and I wasn't happy with how, you know. But this one, I'm gonna look back, you watch it. It's gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna try post it here as well. I'll keep it on for a while for those who couldn't, because I remember someone told me they are working till 8, but they wanted to be a part of it, yeah, bro. So yeah, this is for all those people who want to join the acting industry and they don't know how to. So basically breaking it down, try to give you as much pointers so you can avoid the mistakes that we made, Safi, as well, and you can start off in a better place. Yeah, I've been doing this because most people are looking at my DM. So yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. Oguti, follow your boy Aramis Ngwenya. He's gonna give you pointers. We're talking everything industry and we try to be as honest as possible so that you guys know what you're getting yourself into. But trust me, it is fun if you are passionate. Oh, guys, go for those who are famous. If it's something you're passionate about, it is fun. You know, when you're there doing the work, it is really fun, and it's like you're getting paid for doing what you love. Yeah, but it's a lot of work too. There's preparation, there's research, there's a lot of things that go into it, you know. And we'll touch on those things with our never guest as well. But yeah, thank you so much for joining. And thank you to my homies here by my homies place. You know, they gave me a space to hold this live Wi-Fi because the signal by my place was But hey, I couldn't give you guys excuses. So thank you so much for joining. Yours truly, one number two. We are handsome Hankeno. Ara. I got to go. See you guys next time. I'll tell you when. I'll post. But yeah, thank you for joining. Bye.